Alright, listen. If you've ever said this game looks fun, I should start a channel, then congrats. You've already done 5% of the work. Unfortunately, the other 95% is, well, it's a whole adventure. Today I'm going to show you how to start a successful gaming YouTube channel in 2025, even if you have 0 subscribers, 0 fancy equipment, and 0 clue what you're doing. Trust me. If I can do it while running on caffeine and questionable life decisions, so can you. Here's the biggest secret. Don't pick a game because it's popular. Pick a game where you can add something new. Like new games, for example Skate. If you're funny, choose games with chaos. If you're strategic, choose games with skill. If you like storytelling, choose games with lore. If you're unhinged, choose Minecraft. And yes, you can play multiple games. Just don't be that person who uploads Fortnite one day, chess the next, and then a video titled I bought a watermelon. Stay in a category until people know what to expect from you. Okay, yes, a $700 microphone sounds great, but so does pizza. And you know which one actually makes you happy. Start with what you have. You literally only need a computer or console, a recording program, free options everywhere. I will link that video in the description. A mic that doesn't sound like you're recording inside a washing machine. That's it. No RGB required. No spaceship command center. Just make sure your audio is clear because viewers will tolerate bad video quality. But they will not tolerate sounding like you swallowed a blender. Now let's talk about your first viral moment. No, not the real viral moment, the one that happens in your head where you upload and think, this is the best video ever. I am unstoppable. Yeah. YouTube will humble you. Here's how to make your first real video. 1. Start strong. Nobody wants 20 seconds of silence, a pause, and then, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No. Just start. 2. Keep the energy up. Even if you're calm, be engaging. People can feel when you're bored. 3. Play to your strengths. If you're funny, commentate. If you're shy, do tutorials. If you're good at the game, show it. If you're terrible, even better. 4. Tell a mini story. Every video needs a beginning, middle, and payoff. Even if that payoff is you getting eliminated by a toaster in Rocket League. Here's the harsh truth. People don't click videos because they're good. They click because the thumbnail looks interesting and the title sounds spicy. Bad. Minecraft Episode 3. Good. I tried surviving in Minecraft. Only using a hoe. Bad. Fortnite gameplay. Good. I tried the dumbest strategy ever, and it actually worked. If your title sounds like something even Netflix wouldn't greenlight, change it. You don't need to upload daily. You don't need to upload weekly. You just need to upload consistently. Find a schedule that doesn't make you hate your life. 1 video a week? Great. 2 videos a month? Also great. The only bad schedule is the one you quit. And that's it, everything you actually need to know to start a successful gaming channel. Not the complicated stuff. Not the YouTube guru lectures. Just the real, messy, human steps that actually work. If you want a part 2 where I break down video ideas, editing tips, or how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, just let me know in the comments. I'm rooting for you. Now go make something awesome.